Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is George Aguilar, and today we're going to test out this bottle cutter. This is a glass bottle cutter. Why would we want to cut a bottle? Well, first off, for recycling reasons, and second, for decoration. It just depends what you want to use it for. But for example, I got a wine bottle right here, a pretty good sized wine bottle, and we're going to try to cut it and check out how it works. So let's get to it and get to the steps. By the way, this is by Home Pro Shops. Alright guys, so we have here our glass bottle cutter. We can change the size on this. It's really easy. This mechanism from Home Pro Shops comes with another cutter with an extra 2 wheels and 2 gloves. The only thing I recommend that you get or you have is use some glasses just for safety. You want to protect your eyes, which is really important. So let's get to it. First thing we're gonna do is adjust our wine bottle cutter. Okay. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a cut right here because this is the piece I want. So I gotta put this a little bit more this way. Okay. This, as you can see, the size doesn't do right because this is where the cutter is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unscrew this and I'm gonna flip it. Flip it this way, and now we have a different size. So, like I said, I want to cut right about there, so I put our size mechanism right here. I'm tying this really up. Got that tight. Next thing we're going to do is put our gloves. Remember, safety is first. And I got my glasses on. Got the gloves on. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn this with a firm pressure where the cutter is. So we're just going to do a little fast forward here, and I'm just going to try to do this right now. Alright guys, check that out. You can see I have a really straight line. This is what these bottle cutters are for, so we can do this process in a straight line. Okay, next process that we're going to do is we're going to do some boiling hot water here, and next cold water, and just go back and forth until this breaks by itself. Let's go do that. Alright guys, so what we have right here is our cold water, and I just boiled up some water, so we're going to just do back and forth, cold and hot, until this breaks by itself. We're not going to do any type of other pressure, or we're not going to hit the bottle. So first off, what we're going to do is put some hot water, because we want to heat this up. Oh, I want to do this way so you can see it. Okay, so the idea is just heat up the bottle and then some cold water. Oh, that was quick. That was really quick. There we go. Turn this off. Check that out. We got our bottle cut. Just like that. That was really easy. Now I have a bottle for decoration. If I just want to put some dirt, if I want to plant a plant or something, or if I want to use it as a glass of water, something like that. It's just that easy. Here's the other part. And there you go. This is how the glass bottle cutter works. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to leave the link in the description just in case you guys want to buy one of these. Thanks for watching.